everyone, it's a beautiful day. Let's visit some garage sales together. There's a few in my neighborhood today, so wish me luck. Ooh, that's a cute vase, but I have so many already. My new rule is I have to love it to buy it. Ooh, there's some Halloween stuff. Ooh, these are cool. Only 50 cents each. I'm taking a handful. Please watch till the end of this video so you can see how I style my new items. There's some Christmas stuff. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, it's a pretty vase. I have a round vase that's very similar to this one, or it could actually be the exact same. I'm taking it. It's only 50 cents. Okay, so I didn't have very much luck on the other garage sales, but I did get a few items. So let's check out what I got. I got this cute Lotus vase from Sadler, England. I need to look that up. Oh, someone's selling it on Etsy for $18. So I got a great deal. Here's the one that's similar to it, but it's from Bowring, originally from the 1960s. I bought this one from the thrift store for only $3. And look how similar they are. And I found the solid brass frame for only $1. I want to make some art or find some thrifted art for my photo frames, but for now I have lots of scrapbook paper that I can use. And I found a couple of cute elephants. I already have quite a few elephants, but I can never leave one behind. There's another one. Oh, there's another elephant. And my favorites are these little mini glass elephants. I got them at a garage sale last year. Who sells this? They're so cute. Okay, now for my favorite find of the day. These are hard to find at garage sales and thrift stores, but I did find quite a few already and I'm still looking. I got this one for only $1. And now for the deal of the day, these beautiful candlestick holders. They're from Ikea. I got 9 of them. I stopped by the dollar store to buy some candles before coming home. Whoa, $2.50 for only 2 candles? That's going to be pricey because I need 9. Then I found these, 5 for $1.25. And I think they'll be perfect. Yep, perfect fit. And it only cost me $2.50 for all the candles. Real thrifty. So what do you think of my little haul? I got some great stuff, right? Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.